Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Now if you're like me, when you're driving, sometimes you need to use navigation on your phone. And to do that, you don't really want to just have it in your cup holder because then you have to just really look down. It's kind of inconvenient, hard to see, maybe hard to hear. So you're going to look for a phone mount that's convenient. But some of those phone mounts are, you have to like twist, get the vacuum going. It's got like a sticky base, but over time, sometimes they can come loose. Well, today we're checking out the LISEN A690, which is actually an electric vacuum suction mount. It'll automatically adjust itself, so you don't need to readjust it. So let's check it out. So here it is. So as you can see, we've got a nice like MagSafe ring right here. I'll grab your phone, nice and sturdy. It will twist to mount in different ways. Wow, it'll like swing all the way around, twist however you want it to. Looks like it gives you a lot of flexibility. Let's get some of these peels off too. Some nice metal construction on the hinges. The rotation feels very nice as well. And on the bottom we have a nice little slightly tacky ring on the edge, but with the automatic suction, we shouldn't have to worry about that very much. So it'll actually automatically suction when you put it down. There's this little contact point. So if I place it, it'll automatically suck down. You can hear it pump. And now it is, oh, it's on there. Yeah. And then you push the little button on the side. And there you go. Yeah, that is impressive. We have a little USB-C port right here to recharge it because it's electronic. It has a battery inside, so it can automatically suction as needed. You know what, let's move this over. We'll try it on the table here. Just push it down, it suctions. You can see it pull itself down. So you see if I like pull up on the edge, it breaks the vacuum, it'll automatically pump the new vacuum to reseal it. But if I press the button on the side, it'll release it. Very cool. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable included as well to recharge it. And in here, we have a little user guide. It does specify, it's not a wireless charger, it's just a mount. But you can run a charging cable from your car's USB port to your phone to charge your phone. Still gives you a lot of options. We have a flexible clear plastic pad right here. So you could stick this onto your dashboard to make a nice surface for this to seal on, or you can just use this on glass, or if your dashboard's smooth enough, just use it directly on there. We've got a MagSafe type ring for your phone. So if you don't have MagSafe on your case, you can line this up on it and use it to mount your phone on here. We got a QR code with a link to a video to install it, but you'll see that in this video too. Prep wipes to install the MagSafe ring on your phone, and a little positioning card to help you place it on your phone. So there's a lot of accessories included. The build quality feels really nice. I really like the metal hinge right here, and it's very simple to use. Just drop it down, vacuums itself into place, and you are all set. Now that you've seen everything that's included and how it works, let's go put it to the test in a car. All right, so we're in my daily driver. I'm gonna take the phone mount, peel off the plastic here. You wanna put this aside if you wanna take this back out so it doesn't get the sticky edge dirty. And then all we have to do is just pick a spot. We'll start with the glass. Just put it right here, pop it on. And it suctions on. And there we go. Get our phone on, you can adjust it, put it in horizontally, do whatever you need, make your adjustments, rotate the mount so that it's lower, like this, whatever you need. And if you pull on it too hard, it'll restart resuctioning. So if it feels the vacuum seal failing, it'll turn on the vacuum again and reseat itself. There you go. And if you want to take it off, it's easy. You just push the button, just hold it and pull off. It essentially pumps air back in to release it. So let's say we want to try it on the dashboard itself. Pop it on. Looks like this texture is not. Oh, there we go. Okay. Same thing, we're good here. You can mount it however you want. You can pivot it towards yourself. Nice and secure. Yep. Now this is textured, so it's a little harder for it to grab, but as you can see, it will work. Now, if you do hear it coming on regularly, or it doesn't like stop, you'll know that the surface isn't right, and you probably want to reposition it or choose a different spot to mount it. Let's do this one more time here so you can see it from up close. Push it. It suctions itself on, and if I pull on it, it goes again. Very easy to remove. Now let's say I want to use this to film. Put the camera on, pop this right here, just slap it on. Angle the phone how I want it to film, and we can go run some errands. So let's keep this camera focused on here. As you can see, it's nice and steady. Hasn't reactivated, suction is good. So it's holding well. And what's nice is it's very easy to reposition. So if you're using it to film, like in this case, you could just press the button, release it, peel it off, oops, and reposition it a little lower. And there you go. Easy to adjust, easy to use. And let's say we're done here. Close that up. Collapse this. You could leave it in. Just peel it off. And if you hold on to this, just pop that on there and tuck it away. And it's ready to go for next time you're ready to use it. Now, of course, because there is an electric motor in here for the vacuum pump, there's a charge port. When you plug it in to charge, you'll have a red light right here while it's charging, which will turn green when it's fully charged. There is going to be a Black Friday sale on these and other LISEN products, so if you're interested in those, don't forget to check the links in the video description. And that's the LISEN A690 magnetic phone mount with electric vacuum suction. It's really interesting, very easy to install. Just plop it in place, it's good to go. You've got plenty of adjustability, rotation, really anything you can think of, and it makes it pretty easy to remove as well with quick press of the button to pull it off. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link and coupon code in the video description. I want to say a big thank you to LISEN for sending me this to review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to watch me work on cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.